Howdy, folks. Welcome to the National Heirloom Expo 2017. I hope everyone's having a fantastic time here, learning and greeting and meeting people, checking out the exhibits, getting some of the amazing information that's given out in the talks here. Again, my name is Daletron. I hail from San Diego. I represent the San Diego Seed Library and Botanica Blanco, which is a National Heirloom Exposition proud sponsor. Some of the projects that we are involved with are the San Diego Heirloom Seed Swap, which is one of the largest seed swaps in the world, and the San Diego Crop Swap Meet. We also help to facilitate seed swaps around the country and internationally. We're doing some things in Mexico this year. We facilitated for the Mayfest, or the Spring Planting Festival's first united seed swap out in the Ozarks on the Baker Creek property. And these are some of my cronies. These are some of the young Americans who are bringing, seed sovereignty, food freedom, and saving of genetics to the forefront, making these topics urgent. And I'm just gonna say I'm happy to be here.
Thank you, Daletron. And our next person we have on our panel is Tony.
Hey guys, my name is Tony Kasowski. I am from Phoenix, Arizona. I've been growing food for about 7, 8 years now. My primary project for the last 4 years, I was the founder and manager of several urban gardens in Phoenix, Arizona that were supported by the St. Vincent de Paul, where we grew food and gave it away to our homeless and working needy population. Last year, we were able to provide, I believe it was 45,000 pounds of fresh produce through our initiatives to our food bank, which serves 4,500 meals daily. Beyond that, I do a lot of consulting work, edible landscaping for different businesses and individuals, residential business, also some professional sports teams. We've integrated gardens into their nutrition program, growing food for the athletes so they can kind of optimize their performance. Currently just got back from a 6,000-mile road trip visiting farms throughout the United States. You can check that out on farmtrippin.com, FARMTRIPPIN. .com. We're still doing some editing, so there's just kind of some preview videos up there. And also my other business venture is growkale.com, and that is going to be where I really have promoted the edible landscaping, consulting, and whatnot. Really happy to be here, and I'm going to pass it over to Buddy Andrew here.
Thanks. Hey everybody, my name's Andrew Miano. I'm from North Carolina, but I currently live in Truckee, California, probably one of the least favorable places to grow food, or pretty much anything, because it's the high desert. But there's tons of natives and other drought-tolerant plants that you can produce in a very harsh environment. I do a lot of consulting with agricultural and horticultural people. I do sales for a hydroponic and organic company up in Truckee, actually. As far as social media goes, you can find me on Instagram as my handle is Seed Saver. Pretty basic, but that's what we do. I'm really into permaculture and other edible landscaping techniques. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have a ton of stuff going on right now since I'm in Truckee. The winter's right around the corner, so everything's kind of getting wrapped up. But I also work in the cannabis industry as well. You know, things are changing, times are different now, and people are kind of coming out of their shells and realizing the medicine and the power that it has to heal people. And it's really nice to work with people that are doing the right things and choosing the right medicine from the right growers. I'm really stoked about that.
Thank you.